Maybe we've had a one-to-one already, or perhaps you're contemplating whether to book a one-to-one with me. If you are wondering whether or not I'm the right person to work with you or not, or whether or not social media and content is even a strategy to implement into your business, then listen to this short video and I will explain exactly why working with me is the right choice. I've actually got a background in financial services and I've been in the industry for 7 years. So if you are a mortgage broker, protection advisor or IFA, then I have dedicated my business and services exactly to you. But why? So about 7 years ago, I started out as a business development manager for a packager. So I've actually done the broking side of the business. So I've done commercial, bridging, second charges and residential. And then during my latter part of the career, I was a business development manager for a specialist lender. That was right up until 2020. I was in the thick of it with you all. After furlough and redundancy, I am delighted to say that I started my own business and it was the best thing that ever happened to me. It allowed me to do everything I've ever wanted to do. But I chose to remain within financial services because after being a business development manager for 7 years, my brokers had developed a relationship with me and advisors had to as well. And what they were all telling me during the pandemic and during lockdown was that the biggest fear they had about their business and the new normal was that they were invisible. They felt disconnected. They felt like they didn't have the brand visibility that they should have online. Those that did have an online presence were actually not even proud of it and therefore weren't posting and weren't using their social media pages. Others didn't even have a Facebook page or an Instagram presence, and so they really did need to start from scratch. So I realized that this was a huge problem in the industry. We were definitely behind as financial services goes and as social media goes. We were nowhere near where we needed to be. And I decided to take that and help my advisors, help my friends get noticed, get visible, get clients online. Some definitely didn't think it was going to work. Others thought it was going to work too quickly. But the point is, because of my knowledge of how to stay compliant yet engaging, I was able to tailor content around my brokers, around my clients' business and make it relevant to their ideal customers. So that's what's important about the background and my credentials, is that I understand compliance. I understand how to make content engaging. I'm not just a marketing person. I'm also a salesperson. So it's all about return on investment. It's all about sales, but through an educational and engaging way that social media requires us to do. A personal highlight of mine in the industry is being a finalist in the Women's Recognition Awards ceremony at Financial Reporter. This was in 2019. I was top 3 in the Rising Star category. So I'm insanely passionate about this industry and I want to help ethical, value-driven and educational financial advisors and brokers to put their services out there and empower people to take control of their finances. I call that positive pollination for the next generation. It's about bringing knowledge, value, and education to our clients, not about selling. It's about building relationships and about educating and empowering our clients. So that is why I work with financial advisors. Now, if you're still thinking on whether or not social media is right for you, or if this is a strategy that is going to be right for your business, or whether or not I'm the right person for you, may I suggest that we just simply connect on social media. You can check out all of my posts and blogs and top tips that I share with you for free. But also I want to draw your attention to the recommendations that I've received through all of the clients that I've worked with. They have commented on exactly how I may have helped them, how I helped them see return on investment, how I built their confidence, how I helped them with time, because that was the biggest problem. A lot of advisors say that they don't have time to do social media. So please check out my credentials, my qualifications, but most importantly, what my customers say about me. Now, if I'm not right for you, then that is fine, but I hope you find someone that can help you take your brand to the next level.